Okay, we're going to take a look at two different functions and discuss our critical points. This is example number 12 on page 154 of chapter 3, section 2. So the first function we want to look at is f of x is equal to x to the fourth. Now this function here, when we take its derivative, we get 4x to the third. And so the only time when this is equal to 0 is when x is equal to 0. Now this has a multiplicity of 3. Well, that means that this function right here crosses the axis like this, which means that the derivative is negative on the left side, positive on the right side. So f prime of x is negative over here, and f prime of x is positive over here in this area, which means that we're going from negative to positive. So the original graph, if I draw it in here, must be headed downward in this direction, and then must be headed upward in this direction. So that tells me that this is a minimum. Okay, the next function is negative x to the fourth, and its derivative is equal to negative 4x to the third. And again, this guy is going to be x equals 0 with a multiplicity of 3. And since the multiplicity is odd, we know that we're crossing there. But this function looks something like this. And so its derivative is positive on this side, its derivative is negative on this side. This is the derivative. Okay, this is f prime of x. Now, I'll put in blue, the original function must be increasing on this range. So we must be going up, and then it must be decreasing on that range. And so therefore we've got a maximum here.